What's going on, everybody? It's LSU Maniac coming back at you for another little break. So today we're going to be taking a look at 2019 Bowman's Best. This is pretty much the last release of the year, and it's an awesome product in my opinion. It's kind of like the Bowman Chrome format or Topps Finest. You get two mini boxes in it. Each box contains two autographs. That's each mini box. So you're getting 4 autographs per master box. And running about $130, $140. That's a pretty good deal to get 4 autographs. And I'm going to tell you now, there's a lot of big time names in this set. There's a nice autograph checklist. Now obviously, the majority of your autographs are going to be prospects. You know, that's one of the main things. You know, Bowman's always about your prospects. But you got a chance for Mike Trout, all the 4 big rookies, a bunch of veterans, and like I was saying, all the big prospects from this year. That being Wander Franco, Adley Rutschman, Andrew Vaughn. There's all the big names in this set. Get these all out on the set here. You get 6 packs per box. We'll take a look here. That's your no purchase necessary. Let me know in the comments, guys. Do y'all use that? Do y'all ever send something off? And if you did, do you ever get anything? I've never done it. So I'm not sure what's it about or not. Just let me know if y'all have ever done that. Here's your odds. If you want to pause that and take a look. Bunch of different color refractors you can get. So let's get started inside this joker here. Got 12 packs. There's a look at your pack. 5 cards per pack. All right, we're going to start it off with Forrest Whitley. Nolan Gorman. There we go. Nice. Power Performers, I think that says. Rookie card of Vladimir Guerrero. And then we got our first autograph. They actually turning them upside down in this release. I think that's what they do every year. Then we got a Garrett Cole refractor. We'll turn it around and see who we got here. Well, I think I just gave it away, but looks like a Ryan Bannon. Not much not sure who it is. Second baseman, Ryan Bannon. I'm pretty sure he just come out of a Bowman draft. I'll take a look at it and see. We'll put him to the side. So like I say, most of your autographs are going to be prospects. Josh Bell. There's a Michael Kopech rookie. Not bad. Keston Hiura rookie. I like that. Then we got one of the die cut cards. Pretty nice card. I can't hardly read who it is. Juan Pablo Martinez. You can get autographs on these too. Then we got a Walker Buehler refractor. Pack number 3. Paul DeYoung. Anthony Rizzo. Got an Alex Manoah. Franchise favorites. Andrew Vaughn. It's a nice looking card there. That was our 3rd overall pick this year. Then Nolan Arenado refractor. Moving right along. Got a Justin Verlander. Will Wilson. Then we got an Atomic or something. There's a Nick Senzel Sensations rookie card. Then we got our other autograph here. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Vladimir Guerrero Jr. and an Eloy Jimenez dual autograph number to 25. Wow. Unbelievable. Can you believe that? That's one of the best autographs you can get in this set, in my opinion. I've opened a ton of stuff this year, guys, and I have not hit a Vladimir, an Eloy, Fernando, or Pete. I've spent a ton of money. Let me get this in a sleeve before we go any further. I'm actually going to put this in a one touch. Yeah, I can't tell you how many boxes and packs of cards that I've opened this year and have not hit one yet. Unbelievable. That's why we do this stuff, guys. Take a look at that. Vladimir Guerrero and Eloy Jimenez. I can't wait to see what Vladimir is going to do next year. He didn't have a terrible season by no standards. You know, with the height the guy had this year, I don't guess he lived up quite to the standards that people thought. But the guy's getting in shape, he's saying. He's trying to lose some weight. He's still just extremely young. I mean, this dude's got a really bright future ahead of him. We got a Sanchez, and we got something purple right here. Wander Franco. Man, this is a nice box. Number to 250. Man, I'll take it. And a Grant Levine and a Brandon Lowe rookie. Man, it's been one hell of a box here. Get this in a sleeve, too. Getting some nice stuff here. Yeah, if I could get it in a sleeve. There we go. Not bad at all, man. Can't complain with this. I noticed Topps will do this, man. They'll have hot boxes run hot, man. Cody Bellinger. Then you'll have a string of just nothing. There's my boy Alex Bregman. And we got a franchise favorites, Keston here. That's a nice card there. And a Royce Lewis refractor card. Alright, got something green in this box. In this pack. Brett Beatty, Hunter Bishop, and Will Smith. Man, we hitting some nice stuff in here, guys. Numbered to 99, green. That's a good guy right there. Coming up with the Dodgers. He's a good catcher. Nick Lodolo and a Jared Kelenic. Something like an atomic. I think you get one of them per pack. I'm sorry, per box or master box. Not numbered, but still a nice parallel to chase. There's a Joe Adele, Mackenzie Gore, another Jared Kelenic. Nice card there. Franchise favorites, Vladimir Guerrero. We're hitting some good stuff in this. Then we got a Casey Mize. Should have 2 more autographs. We got a Max Scherzer, Charlie Blackmon, and a Shohei Ohtani. And the back cards are Mookie Betts. And then we're going to flip it around and see who our autograph is. Michael Toglia for the Colorado Rockies. Not sure who that is, but hey, I'll do some research on him. Like I said, that's a prospect, so you never know with them prospects. You could strike out or you could hit gold with them. All right, down to our last 3 packs. We got Chris Davis, we got a Chris Sale, Paul Goldschmidt. There's a franchise, whatever they call this. That's a die cut of Eloy Jimenez. Not bad, man. Future Foundations. We've hit some nice stuff in this box. And a nice Gleyber Torres refractor. 2 packs to go. Austin Riley. There's a Mitch Keller. Jan Mancata. Franchise favorites. Kevin Biggio. That's Craig Biggio's son. And a Kyle Wright. Last pack should have 1 more autograph. I highly doubt we're going to beat what we got in that first box. There we go, Andrew Vaughn. Nice card. Carter Keyboom. There's a Jeff McNeil. Look like we got a redemption card. I do not know who's in this. Let's take a look at it. Congratulations. You are due to receive a best of 2019 autograph of Michael Bush. So I'm not sure who that is. I'll look at it after this video, check him out. But nonetheless, I mean, Michael Bush, we'll check him out. Y'all let me know if he's any good. And our last card's a rookie card of John Duplantier, refractor. So guys, in my opinion, this is one of the best boxes I've opened all year. I mean, just for one, this autograph we hit here. Dual autograph of Vladimir and Eloy, number to 25. Best autograph I've hit all year, to be honest with you. I've hit some nice ones, but never the big four. For some reason, they've eluded me all year long. Well, guys, I appreciate y'all watching this. If you would, give me a thumbs up, please. Try to build the channel. I love doing these videos to get content out to y'all. Give me a subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. We do giveaways. We do a bunch of stuff on this channel, mainly just opening cards. But again, I appreciate y'all, and LSU Maniacs out of here.